boy, oh boy, oh boy. Freezing. But anyway, good morning. Today is Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. I just got back from class and now we have work. It is so cold to the point where the micro moisture on my face is freezing. My beard is freezing, my nose inside is freezing, my eyelids are freezing. As far as updates go, in terms of finding a new home, I'm still looking every single day. I've noticed one thing though, is that there's a lot of scams going on. So if you guys are looking for homes, make sure you're not gonna get scammed. I'll throw some screenshots on screen here. You can pause the video and read it. But pretty much the gist of the scam is that you get these long drawn out stories, how these landlords are no longer in the country and the only way that they can get the money is through a third party arranging everything for them. And they say they can take wire transfers, e-transfers. Pretty much what will happen is if you agree to their scam, you'll send them the money, you'll never see these guys, they'll run away with your money. I'm freezing. I am freezing. But anyway, guys, I got work all the way down there, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit, okay? Peace. Oh, the roads are absolutely empty. It's like empty downtown here. Nobody's outside. It's pretty quiet. But we're gonna have to kind of navigate the storm here, find some place to eat. Get some wings today. This is one of my favorite places to come for lunch because it's so cheap. It's like half price wings. I can either come here and spend $8 to $10, or I can go to some fast food place and get fast food. Okay, so I understand that I did have wings and I bought lunch today, and I've been telling you guys that I would stop eating out. Sometimes, you know, I don't have time to make lunch. I don't have time to make things. And that's what I'm trying to work on. I'm trying to work on making more things or making more food. Just some students there wanting to get in the vlog. Anyway, I got work. Talk to you guys in a bit. Peace. All right, so I just got off from work. Currently in the midst of this huge snowstorm right now. I can't describe to you how much snow is literally falling. Oh my. I'm in a blizzard. Big blizzard. Ooh. Give you some perspective, I'm gonna show you guys my feet right now. My feet is literally dug right into the ground. Like it's to my ankle. Like it is literally at my ankle here. That's how deep the snow is. It's pretty deep. It's dead silent downtown right now. There's literally nobody outside. The funny thing is when it snows, you it's like silent. You see, when it rains, it's like you hear lots of noise and it's raining and it's like you hear all this splashing going on. When it's snowing, it's like a very relaxed fall. And then even the cars too, when they're driving on the snow here, when they're driving on it, they drive silently, like it doesn't make any noise on the road. It's quite peaceful, to be honest. I like it. Okay, Google, what's the weather right now in Guelph?
Right now in Guelph it's -8 with snow showers. The forecast tonight is -7 with snow. There is currently a snowfall warning in effect.
Just finished. Work was good. Work was a thumbs up. A lot of people actually canceled today, so I had a lot of appointments. I didn't show up because of the weather. Like it's really bad out. Oh boy. I can't tell on the camera, but I have so much snow blowing into my eyes that I can't see. I literally can't see. Feels good to be inside, to be in a warm area. As you guys know, I'm still looking for a home to rent in the future, preferably from May 2019 to May 2020. And I was actually going for a viewing yesterday. Yesterday, I went to tour a 1-bedroom apartment in a building. Long story short, I get there right on time at 1 o'clock. Long story short, I get there right on time at 1 o'clock, and then I go into the building and I let them know that I'm here for my appointment because I had to book this thing to do a viewing. And then I talked to the lady on the phone and she told me that the unit's already been rented and that they called me and left me a message. I didn't get a message, by the way. Nobody called me. So it was a waste of time. Fast forward till today and I go online and look for more apartments and condos to look for, and lo and behold, the unit that I was looking to rent has been listed as available to rent like 2 hours ago. Like what is, I don't know. So I don't know why, like, I don't know what happened or what's going on. I just think that, maybe she forgot to come to the appointment to give the tour to me, so she made up an excuse for me to leave because she felt bad. Maybe she lied. Something that you'll learn, as you grow up. I don't know how old you are. A lot of the people that watch my videos are younger, so that's why I kind of talk to you guys like you're younger. As you grow up and as you age, you start to meet people that are like this, that are really unorganized, inefficient, lie, whatever. When you see that and you're in control of the situation, push them out of your life. I'm not gonna live in that building. I'm not even gonna inquire about that available unit, because if that's how you're gonna be treated, you don't wanna live in a building like that, and you don't wanna be around things like that. Even outside of looking for an apartment, like if you're, with friends, family, or with people you meet in your everyday life, people are rude or lying to you, or just, any like negative characteristic, push them that way. It's not worth keeping them in your life. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to drop a like down below. Let's try to hit 20 likes for today. Let's try to hit a goal, I don't know. Comment down below, #snowstorm. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys all in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.